Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Apple Writing tool with Apple Intelligent to write professional emails and texts on your iPhone. So let's get started. Now, in order to use this tool and have it on your phone, you need to enable Apple Intelligent. But in order to get Apple Intelligent, you need to update your iPhone to iOS 18.1 or newer in the software update. And you need a compatible device, which include iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, and the new iPhone 16 lineup. Now, once you have that and update it to 18.1 in your settings, you see here there's an option for Apple Intelligent. You need to tap on it and turn this setting on. If it says join Apple Intelligent, simply join Apple Intelligent, wait a few hours, and you'll get Apple Intelligent on your phone. Once you have those requirements, you can start the process. So I have a text here as an example, and this works great for emails. For example, if I want this text to be written more professionally, I can tap on that icon here, which opens up writing tool. And then from there on, you see there's an option that says professional. If I tap on it, it will rewrite that text for me in a professional way, as you can see here, just like that. And if you want, you can tap again to rewrite again to something different if you didn't like it, and it will do it again for you. And if you didn't want that and you wanted to revert, you can click on original or go back to the previous version or rewrite again or revert to the original text. But that's how you can use the professional writing tool on your iPhone for your texts and emails. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.